Alright, y'all. So I ain't really take any video of this crap, but just clean it up a little bit, man. I got them coming tomorrow to pick up this stuff. Keeping the wheels. Throwing this stuff away. Trying to get this stuff over here kind of niced out. So this is what I was telling you. So it's like half the size of that one there. And it's cool. It's gonna be decent. And then right here, a little bit more storage for like my wheels or anything like I need to stack up that can go outside. And then this, you guys can kind of see what's going on here. I'm actually going to take everything out of it. That way I could push it back a little bit. You see how close I got this one? Now, doing any kind of work, gardening, grading, is not my task. Like, I don't know what the heck I'm doing, but I'm trying to, I don't need this to be super flat, level. I just need it to be decent. And the reason why I'm saying that, I did put a weed barrier because there are a lot of weeds that just freaking come up. So I doubled it up, and then I'm gonna put some wood chips down here because it's free. It's down the way. And I did the same thing over here. So weed barrier, the concrete blocks, they are all the way through, and then the back ones I just kind of put them in half. But the reason why I'm saying this is because this isn't totally flat. Like, the grade is all jacked up. This is their grade, and it's lumpy as heck, and then it goes straight down. So I don't have the capacity to be out here making sure this thing is flat for water and all that good stuff, and or a decent grade. So I'm hoping that whatever I do will be decent enough. I don't know, just based off of the line, the level with the fence, and then this level here, this line here, the shed is like tilted down some. I don't really care. I did try to get a quote to see how much it would be to have somebody just throw some concrete over here for here, and then at this line here, just to make this like a long piece of concrete. This fool said $4,000, and that was on Facebook. I thought I was getting a stupid deal, so I just said, you know what? Let me go spend my $200. It's not really $200 for these blocks. I bought this to break up the dirt. I bought a little bit of what do you call that stuff? That's leveling soil, or sand, not soil, and something else. Oh, the weed barrier, and then like the little U-clamps or whatever, nails or whatever you want to call them. It was $150. So when I go back, because I still got one more shed to do, I got 2 of these. And then this, just so we're, I want to let you guys know like what you guys can expect to pay for like sheds. These things are so expensive, it's ridiculous. This one came with the place. We got like appliances in there. I love appliances. But this big one was like $900. And then I got 2 of these for $1,200. So if you're trying to do sheds, I would love to just get one big one. But we only got 5 feet right here, so I can't really do too much. Can't do too much. If I could just get one big one, let's just say like, I think 8x8 is like a good size. I don't even think I need another one, but I got to be creative. So if you guys are dealing with space like me, that's kind of what I just want to let you know. That's kind of what you're looking to spend, versus $4,000, and this place ain't even mine. So yeah, right. I'd do it. Like, it feels like 1,000, 1,500. I'd be like, all right. That dude said 4,000. Kiss my ass. But that's not even a real company. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's just somebody off of Facebook that said they could do it. I'm not looking for perfection. I just need you to come over here, throw some concrete down, and call it a day. And then the other thing is we got the area in the front of the house. That's that is 2x16. I'm actually gonna buy some concrete bags and throw it in there, level it out, and then pour some water on. I'm gonna do a dry dry pour. That's just easier. So yeah. So I just wanted to show you guys this, man. And then I also got to come up with a way to make this be right here as a, you know, and function as a door. I know I can do it. Shouldn't be too hard. That's just time. And then this was 10, 11, 12, 12 blocks, little concrete blocks. They're 16 by 16. I'm gonna put another section right here. Hey, finally. Look how late this thing is. I've been here all day. It's dark. But yeah, so I'm gonna do another row right here. I'm gonna put the next one will be right here. And then this one right here will be a little bit more towards the door, the gate area. And then that should be it. I do want to, like I said, I do want to have like a little area where I can rinse stuff off. I was thinking maybe I should do it right here. I can have a little area where I can kind of just rinse stuff off. And then, like, I got these right here. These are solar lights, but sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. This one, so the funny thing, this is our vent for the dryer. When the dryer's on, this comes on because it senses the smoke, the steam, and then it thinks that somebody's walking by. So it's probably dead because of that. But yeah, we getting there, man. I just want to get all this stuff over with, you know what I'm saying, so I can chill, relax. I don't ever get a time to relax. But you know, we're gonna make it. But so far, little things I've done, they don't have an AC in this house, and this house is stupid old, doesn't have any insulation in the walls. The up there in the attic, the insulation it looks original from what I looked at. So we put that in. I put the concrete blocks. I think those are 12 by 12, and then these are 16 by 16. So I did that. Installed this myself, learned how to do electrical based off of YouTube. No lie. So I did all the electrical, did all of this. So the electrical here is dirt old too. Oops, my battery's too low to put on the light. This is ours over here. It has a old Federal. So what I did was, there we go. So I put that breaker in, which is a 60, to over here. And then this right here is for the AC and for the dryer. The dryer was on that one. So that's how I did that. I do want to put, take all this out and put another one. Now, many of you guys may be saying, well, if you're renting, why the heck are you doing this stuff? For one, they won't do it. And two, I called somebody to hook up the AC. The dude was like, just to connect this wire, go from there. Oh snaps! Put a panel there. That's like if you need to work on it, an access panel. You could just take out the breaker, and then go down to there. Dude said $1,200. It was like 11 something. I said, man, I'm about to pay that, man. I'm cheap, but I'm not cheap if it's mine. But I'm glad I'm doing all this stuff because it taught me how to. I taught myself based off of YouTube. So I watched a bunch of YouTube videos, and that's what I'm saying. Like, you can just go on YouTube, because people come on my page, on my channel, and what they want to do, they want to ask questions. Well, how are you doing that? What are you doing? What do you do? I didn't ask any questions. I watched the videos, and I noticed that they were kind of similar. They were doing similar things, and then boom, there we go. So you guys can do that. You know what I'm saying? Just watch my videos. You guys can see what I'm doing. It's similar in every video. It's just different things, different house or whatever. But you know, nobody gets it. Only a couple people. But yeah. Anyway, let's get into this video. I don't know what I got for y'all, but it's gonna be something good. As always, it's DWES. Now you come on. I think just because of the, you know, it's not hella dark. It's not. I hate when people just be rolling up. Anyway, but yeah. All right, y'all. It's DWES for life, y'all. Peace. What's going down, everybody? It's Daryl, DWES Enterprise. Today we're out here in Newark, California at a repeat. Let me show you guys what we got going on. Customers just moving out. You guys seen this before? Let's make it happen. Ooh, it's hot. All right, y'all, I just want to give y'all a quick update just to talk really fast about something. Now, you guys seen this carpet was pretty bad, man, and it's unfortunate, but you know, you can easily tell a customer that it's not worth it. You're not going to clean it, but guess what they're going to do? They're going to go get somebody else to go clean it. So get that bread and just do it. Do it to the best of your ability. Because of the excessive urine, there's really nothing I can do about the smell, because it does smell underneath. You would have to pull this carpet back, replace the pad, and at that point you might as well just replace the carpet, because there's still some stains in the carpet. Now if I turn around this way, you can see how dark this is and where I started, and you know, or where I finished. It did come out pretty good, but we have some staining throughout. If you look from here, it looks perfect, but once you get over the top of it, you can definitely see some spots. I'm not going to go in there just yet, but you know, when there's urine on the floor, on the carpet, it does have the potential, like we see here, to stain it. There are a lot of the stains that went away, but some of them just, it is what it is on it, you know what I'm saying? Like I usually say, good luck with that. But we are doing the best we could do for them, at least for when they hand over the keys. They can say they, you know, they did their part, but this carpet probably going to be replaced. But you never know. You know, sometimes, this is the other thing too. What if we clean it, right, and the landlord's fine with it, and then they rent out the place like this? You get to that situation where if you did turn it down, you just lost some money. So I go for the money, man. That's all the time. I hardly ever turn anything down. I turned down one thing. I forgot exactly what it was this year, but I've only turned down one. I think it was like really, really bad, and I was just like, I don't feel like doing it. And then the other thing, I forget what you call them, but the little, are they called burrs? I'm not sure. The little balls with the little spikes. There's a ton of those in the carpet. Actually, go this way. But yeah, I just wanted to speak on that because I'm real quiet right now. I'm just trying to get this done. I do have one more after this. It's been crazy busy. You know, I'm not complaining. We out here getting that money. And for me, I just want to make sure I can focus, because making a video takes a long time. I'm trying to get back to my roots, to where I just make videos. I don't have to edit them. I like that. But I'm also trying to keep it short for y'all, because I know y'all don't watch these long videos. So, got to make a balance, you know what I'm saying? There are some viewers that watch them, the long ones, but, and I'll talk about that later, a little something. speak on something else about that later video. Something that's been on my mind. But anyway, I'm gonna get back to this. I'm gonna meet you guys in the hallway and come back to you in a minute. I do have my pressure hella high right now. I forgot to change it. I'm at 600 psi. I'm usually at 400. I was just spraying the urine treatment and totally forgot. Not a big deal. I just have to move a little faster. Is this smoky in here? Woo! It's DWES for life, y'all. It's in there. It's in the carpet, y'all. I'm telling you, there's a ton of them. Like, All right, y'all, all done. There's still some birds in there, but I think that's what you call them, man. That's what I'm gonna call them. But I'm just gonna put a little post treatment on some of these and hope they work. Or not they, hope it works. The window's open. Look pretty good though, to be honest, but just a few stains here and there. All right, I did take some before pictures, so if I remember, I'll just put them at the end and you guys can kind of see what it looked like versus what it looked like now. Or you could just probably, if I don't, just rewind the video. All right, y'all, is there DWES Enterprise? Y'all see what the shirt say? It's DWES for life, y'all. Peace. Sometimes you gotta buy things to make your life easier. I actually been wanting one of these, but just waiting for the right time. Ain't bad. It's DWES for life, y'all. Peace.